If I get jealous, I can't help it. I won't let it be to you. Yes, I'm selfish. So if you want to pack gear and you want to pack your filming gear with you to just kind of capture those amazing moments, you know how important it is to have everything as compact as you can, as lightweight as you can, and as versatile as you can. Well, one of those things that you're gonna want for cinematic video is you're gonna want a good, versatile tripod. And I have it right here, the new Freewell tripod. It's extremely versatile. I've never seen anything like this before because it's never been this versatile. It's also slim and lightweight and compact, and it's lighter than any other tripod that I've had before. So what I've learned from my experience is that I like to keep my backpack small, lightweight, and only carry what I need, because I do have bags that carry like all my camera gear for me, but it turns out you don't need all your camera gear, and two, it gets really heavy. So let's talk about this tripod today, coming at us from Freewell. Here it is right here in the case. I'm gonna set my bag to the side just for a moment, but let's open this up. Let's find out what's so versatile about this tripod. It comes with this carrying case, but as I open it, here it is right here. Like, that's how lightweight it is. I don't know if that does it justice for you. Cool feature about this tripod as well are the legs. The legs come off, twist and lock, twist and lock, and now my tripod is ready to go. There's a knob right here on this side that'll raise the middle to that point. So that's how high you can get it. It's about the same height as me at eye level. And that is the bottom portion there. You have 1/4 inch 20 threads on the other side, one right here and one right here. And then on this side, we're back to the tightening knob for these. Now, say you wanted to get lower shots. What we do is you push this down right here, and the legs can go as far out like that, almost like a star. So I gotta push it in a little bit to get that. And these can actually bend outward. If I pull it down, it'll click to one spot. So you could get it flat out, but right here you can see it going pretty wide, and it stands right about there. So if I push it in, it'll click everything into place, and we're back to where we started. Another thing about this right here is there's a hook right underneath, so I could store my bag on there. So I'm gonna take my bag back, and I'll just hang it right below on the hook right there, so it doesn't have to hit the ground, and also it works as a stabilizer for this right here. So this piece right here is the tripod adapter. You can screw that onto your camera and put it on here, and it slides right into place. But another feature that's really cool about this is on the bottom side of it, you have these that fold open, and that stretches out, but you could actually put your phone inside of here, like so. But also this bottom piece right here is wide enough so that you can actually put it onto the tripod. Use this knob right here to tighten it into place and make sure my phone's held on there. And now I could use my phone on the tripod. So a couple of other items to look at here. So obviously you could raise and lower by doing this. Look at that, eye level. That's actually like literally eye level. I know I've said in other videos things are eye level. This like definitely is eye level, as you can see right there. But what you can do is this knob right here, you can tighten it if you don't want it to move. But if I loosen it, it gives this nice glide. See how like cinematic that is? So you get that cinematic video as you're filming. That glides there. This right here is for the ball head. So you can actually rotate this pretty far. Go all around, up and down. And it actually helps with vertical shooting as well. So there's that. But say you have everything locked in place now. Well, this red knob at the top, if you loosen that, you can also have another opportunity and turn it so that you get cinematic shots, just like so. So I thought that was pretty neat to have the tripod mount as a phone mount as well, because you never know when you need those. But look at this, like you get some good cinematic shots. So speaking of cinematic shots, let's do a test right now. So I've got this 1.7 time telephoto lens from Freewell here. So how this works is I could actually push this lens hood on and it sits on there. But what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna attach this to the one-time lens right here for some epic shots. Okay, this first shot I'm gonna show you is the one-time camera, and I'm gonna shoot it with this telephoto lens on there. So let me tap record. And what we're gonna use is we're gonna use this ball head right here. I'm gonna push it slightly to get a good cinematic shot. There you go. So I want you to pay attention to one, the movement, how smooth that is, and then 2, how great the image looks with the lens. Because in the next shot here, I'm going to do this without the lens. Okay, for the second video, all I'm going to do is remove this lens, and you're going to see how wide the image is from here. So this is the one-time lens, same thing, same panning, but that's how it looks. And the reason I go with the one-time lens is because it's the best lens for the iPhone 15 Pro. We're going to switch this from the 24mm lens to the 77 lens, and I'm going to record here. So this is using the zoom lens that's on there, that's built in. This is more comparable to the 1.7 time lens that I have in my hand here. This is also the handle grip from Freewell, and when you can do this with this grip, it works the same way. It's spring-loaded. So once I release that, I can pull that up and I can put that on there. And now I have this grip on the camera, also with a Bluetooth button right here. So this just works as like a full-on camera, and it's pretty cool. But at the bottom of it, you'll see that there's another tripod head here. All I need to do is put this onto here. Be very careful here. And then I'm going to tighten this. And now that locks in everything as I need it. Okay, I've got one more thing that I want to show you here. Is not only this tripod lightweight and compact, but let's do this. So you can remove the tripod head just like that. I'm going to set this to the side for a moment. Please don't scratch. And leave this as B. But if you look at your tripod legs here, this is really cool. You'll notice this one doesn't have a picture on it. This one doesn't have a picture on it. But this one has a picture on it of lock and unlock. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist this one off here and say you don't need your entire tripod. This is really lightweight, by the way. This is carbon fiber. It's really lightweight. What I could do is you could either mount this straight to the camera or you could screw this onto the tripod head. Now I have a monopod. If I just need it to be lightweight, I could carry it like this, and I can work on getting those manual stable shots myself. So my friends, this tripod right here, it's really cool. It just came out today. If you want to learn more about it, I'll have links in the description for you to check out. They are affiliate links, so if you purchase through there, thank you so much. It'll help support my channel. And you know, there's a lot of tripods out there, but we are really spoiled because we get a lot of good options. This is a really good option. Like, that is super lightweight. Look at how easy that is to toss. And I'm not a strong guy. So if you found value in this video, don't be shy to let me know. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and leave a comment below, and perhaps someone can answer those questions for you. But thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.